I'm 82 and I regret retiring, and I want to help you avoid the same mistakes. In this video, I'll reveal 6 critical retirement mistakes that many people, including myself, only realize too late. Whether you're already retired or planning ahead, this advice can protect your future happiness, purpose, and financial stability. Please leave 1 subscribe, 1 comment, and 1 like to support this valuable video, and share it across your social media to help others make smarter retirement decisions. Don't let regret be part of your golden years. Watch till the end and take control now. Number 1. Retiring without a purpose. Many people spend years dreaming about retirement, the day they finally get to stop working, relax, and enjoy life. But what many don't realize is that retiring without a purpose can lead to boredom, depression, and even a loss of identity. Work often gives our lives structure, social interaction, and a sense of contribution. When that disappears overnight, it can leave a huge void. Having a purpose doesn't mean continuing a 9-to-5 job. It means finding something that gives your life direction and meaning. That could be volunteering, mentoring, pursuing a hobby, traveling, joining a community group, or even starting a small business. It's important to stay mentally and emotionally engaged. Without goals or daily motivation, days can start to blend together. What once felt like a well-earned rest can become a lonely and unfulfilling routine. That's why it's crucial to plan not just financially, but also personally. Ask yourself what kind of life you want to live after retirement. You've spent decades building skills, relationships, and wisdom. Don't let all of that go to waste. Purpose isn't just for the young. In fact, in retirement, it's more important than ever. Number 2. Underestimating longevity. One of the most common and costly mistakes retirees make is underestimating how long they will live. With modern medicine, healthier lifestyles, and improved healthcare, many people are now living well into their 80s, 90s, and even beyond 100. While this is a wonderful achievement, it also means your retirement savings need to last much longer than previous generations ever expected. Unfortunately, many people plan for only 15 to 20 years of retirement income, assuming they'll pass away in their early 70s or soon after. This miscalculation can lead to financial stress or even poverty in the later years of life. Expenses like healthcare, housing, long-term care, and inflation continue to rise and can quickly drain savings if you're not prepared. Planning for longevity means being realistic. Consider working longer, delaying Social Security benefits to increase monthly payouts, investing in low-risk, income-generating assets, or creating multiple streams of retirement income. Also, budgeting wisely and revisiting your financial plan regularly can help you adjust to changing needs over time. Retirement should be a time of peace and freedom, not anxiety over money. Think long-term now so you can enjoy every year with confidence, no matter how many come your way. Number 3. Letting go of social circles. One of the silent but significant challenges of retirement is the sudden loss of daily social interaction. During your working years, much of your social life is built around coworkers, clients, and routines. After retirement, many people are surprised to find themselves feeling isolated and disconnected. This loss of social engagement can deeply affect your mental health, leading to loneliness, depression, and even cognitive decline. Human beings are social creatures, and staying connected is essential for emotional well-being. That's why it's so important to make a conscious effort to maintain old friendships and actively build new ones after leaving the workforce. Joining clubs, community centers, religious groups, or volunteering are great ways to stay engaged and meet like-minded people. Even simple regular phone calls or coffee meetups with friends can make a big difference. Don't wait for others to reach out. Take the initiative. Reach out to your network, attend events, or consider group classes in areas that interest you, like art, music, or fitness. Retirement isn't just about financial freedom. It's also about staying socially and emotionally rich. Keeping your social circle strong is one of the most powerful ways to stay happy, healthy, and mentally sharp throughout your later years. Number 5, relying solely on pensions or government support. One of the biggest financial mistakes retirees make is depending entirely on a single income source, such as a pension or government benefits, like Social Security. While these can provide a foundation, they often aren't enough to cover all the costs of a long and comfortable retirement, especially with rising living expenses, healthcare costs, and inflation. Government programs were never designed to be a retiree's only source of income. Relying solely on them can leave you vulnerable to policy changes, benefit reductions, or unexpected expenses. The reality is, many retirees find themselves struggling to maintain their lifestyle or meet basic needs when those limited funds fall short. To protect yourself, it's crucial to diversify your income. Consider supplementing your pension with investments such as dividend-paying stocks, bonds, or retirement savings accounts like IRAs. Rental income from property or part-time work doing something you enjoy can also add financial security and purpose. Building multiple income streams creates a safety net and offers greater flexibility. Even in retirement, being financially proactive gives you more control and peace of mind. Remember, it's not just about having enough to survive. It's about having enough to live well and enjoy the years you've worked so hard for. Number 6, believing it's too late to start again. One of the most limiting beliefs many retirees hold is thinking it's too late to start something new. Whether it's beginning a hobby, launching a small business, going back to school, or volunteering, many people assume age is a barrier. But the truth is, it's never too late to reinvent yourself or find new meaning. Retirement should be seen not as an end, but as a new chapter. With decades of life experience, knowledge, and wisdom, you're more prepared than ever to take on something fulfilling. Many people have launched successful businesses, written books, or found a passion for community service well into their 70s, 80s, and beyond. Starting something new keeps your mind active, your body engaged, and your spirit energized. Learning a new skill or pursuing a long-held dream can give you a sense of accomplishment and purpose that many people lose after leaving the workforce. Don't let age define your limits. As long as you're alive, there's room for growth, connection, and contribution. Believe in the value of your experiences and use them to shape a meaningful retirement. The best years of your life might still be ahead. All you have to do is start. Conclusion: retirement isn't just about leaving work. It's about creating a life filled with purpose, connection, and stability. By avoiding these 6 common mistakes, retiring without a purpose, underestimating longevity, losing social circles, neglecting health, relying solely on pensions, and believing it's too late to start again, you can build a more fulfilling and secure future. Whether you're already retired or preparing for it, take action now. Your choices today shape your tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, please leave 1 like, 1 comment, 1 subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from this important advice.